Hi there, my name is Jacqueline Wilson. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. 53 years old, believe it or not. I was feeling really old and dragged out, and I had been going through some really rough times, and it all seemed to kind of go into my face. So I did some investigation online and found this wonderful man here who did some great surgery, and yeah, things are great. I mean, I can't even remember how the areas that I didn't like were these eyelid things were really puffy and hanging over, and it was almost like they were closing my eyes. And I had these great big lines right here, and I always looked upset or sad or angry. And then I had this hangy thing here and all of these creases, and it was awful. So, well, all of that stuff is gone now. Well, coming here on my own was a little bit of a challenge, but I just put it out of my mind. All my friends were saying, no, don't do it, you're gonna come back and it'll be a big mistake. And so I just decided to just not tell anybody and come on my own. The recovery part was pretty easy because I just slept for days. And the face was not uncomfortable at all. The only thing that I found a little uncomfortable was just keeping my eyes clean, just being a little bit scared to touch them. But there was no pain in my face whatsoever. So basically, one thing that I'm really happy about is I believe I have some really quality work here. I'm getting hit on by guys who are like half my age. It's really kind of funny. And nobody who I tell can actually believe that I've had anything done. And when I show them my passport picture compared to now, they're just amazed at how well everything has turned out. And they quite often say, you really spent your money well, because the quality that you have is excellent. Well, you know, the guy, he's okay. No, he's actually really great. I would never ever take this experience back, and I will be back, I'm sure. And I would encourage anybody to go ahead and do this for yourself. Don't do it for anybody else, just do it for you, because you feel your age again. Like, I don't feel 53, but I looked 53 and older. I feel more in my age. I feel like I'm more congruent to my age and way I feel, rather than before I just had this old skin on a young person. It was very strange, but now I feel more balanced. I've already started letting the cat out of the bag, so to say, and telling people that they should come here. I've got some friends who are really impressed, and I would just say come here and just take a chance and do it. You'll be very happy with your results, and you'll also have a nice holiday.